Hello, friends. Before we begin, I want to tell you that every piece of advice you'll hear here comes from technicians with years of experience at this highly respected appliance repair shop. So let's fix that issue. When a customer brings in their Speed Queen washer showing DL, they usually say something like, "It tries to start, but just stays there and doesn't do anything." And this is where we clarify something important. That code means the machine is not able to lock the door, even if it appears to be closed properly. Now, many customers are surprised and say, "The door closes normally, I don't understand what's wrong." And that's exactly what makes it confusing. The washer does detect the door, but it can't secure it, which is a required step before starting any cycle. It's like it's trying to lock, but never fully succeeds. That's why the first thing we check in the shop is the locking mechanism. Sometimes it's worn out, dirty, or just not engaging properly. In fact, one technician always says, if the lock doesn't fully do its job, the washer just waits and throws the DL error. Many customers also remember hearing a weak or incomplete click right before the error appears. Meanwhile, we also come across cases where the issue is simpler than it seems. Some customers tell us, the clothes were not positioned well, and the door wasn't closing properly. And of course, if something is slightly blocking the door, the locking system won't activate correctly. On the other hand, when everything looks fine physically, we move on to check the electrical door lock or actuator, which is one of the most common failures. Over time, this part loses strength or stops working altogether. As some customers tell us, it used to work after a few tries, but now it doesn't, and that's when we know the lock needs to be replaced. As we continue troubleshooting, we also don't overlook the internal wiring, because it plays a big role. Sometimes everything looks fine, but the signal isn't getting through properly. One of our technicians explains it like this: "It's not that it can't lock, it's that it never gets the command correctly." This usually happens due to loose connections or internal wear. In more advanced cases, the problem may come from the control board, which manages the entire system. Some customers arrive saying, "I already replaced the lock and it's still the same," and that's when we start looking at the board. It's not the most common cause, but it does happen, especially in older machines. Additionally, something we always recommend before getting into deeper repairs is performing a basic reset. Unplugging the washer for a few minutes can clear temporary faults. More than one customer has told us, "I unplugged it and it started working like normal again," which shows that sometimes the issue isn't as serious as it seems.